Now, the Witwatersrand African Taxi Association has made strong remarks against the government, and this was blaming it for the deaths of people in the taxi industry. This comes as bloodshed linked to a taxi violence continues in some parts of the Gauteng province over routes, and particularly in Tshwane and Johannesburg. Yesterday, 3 WATA members were gunned down by unknown assailants in Mufulo, while last week 3 taxi officials were shot and killed in Tshwane. The association alleges corruption in the Department of Transport sets back the resolution of the taxi conflicts.
Sekusola uhulumeni ngokudebesela endabeni yokubulawa kosomatekisi esifundazweni saseGoli. Lokhu kushiwo ukhulumela iWATA kulandela ukudutshulwa kubulawe amalunga awo amathathu izolo. Le association ithi kunobukhonyuvu benzakalayo kumnyango wezokuthutha njengoba kushintshashintsha isinqumo semvumo yemzila okuholela kudeshu.
O-MEC bonke meaning uKidiboni uyasho ukuthi kunabantu abagangela ku-department yakhe. Jacob Mamabula washo ukuthi kunabantu abagangela ku-department yabo. Even uBenito ngey6 usitshela ukuthi kunabantu abagangile abaphenywayo abawu2. And njengoba ngithi ugovernment joyenze lento kwangamele athathe isinqumo because lento iya ku-arbitration. uBenito masine meeting naye ngey5 nangey6 uthi kunabantu abagangile ama-permit oyi2 afrochland. Ngey16 uma ibuya kithi uthi iWATA uzo-amenda ama-permit ayo akhishwe lama-route kuyo because awenanduwe. Then umbuzo wethu uthi eyena nduwe ilungiswe nini?
Lolu dweshu lwemizila esifundazweni lulokhu lisabalale njalo njengoba ngenyanga edlule kwadutshulwa kwabulawa abayi11 eKatlehong. Kanti komdonsiswane phakathi kwe-association iWATA kanjalo neNanduwe sekuphele iminyaka uqhubeka ngaphandle kwesisombululo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngiseMufulo.